All right, it's time for a heat exchange review. Let's go ahead and knock this out. Question number 1. And, whoa, that's not going to work. That's just like being in class, isn't it? There we go. An unlit candle was laid on a table directly in front of a hot fireplace. What most likely explains why the candle melted. Now, just for me, I'm kind of thinking here, not in, what is that, like 72 font? That's not going to work. Let's go down to here. There we go. I'm just kind of thinking. So the candle melted. I don't want to do that in red because I know somebody's going to be like, you're doing that wrong on purpose, Mr. Bullins, and I am not. Let's change that to blue. Did that work? There we go. Why did the candle melt? The candle melted because that's solid to liquid. And if you have solid to liquid, you need heat. Oops, Mr. Bullins is not doing too good there. Next, I know that a fireplace. I probably have one of two answers. I have radiation beside, and if you're over the fire, you have radiation and convection, because that convection was carrying those, that hot air is carrying those embers up into the air. We talked about that in class. So let's take a look at our answer choices here. We have heat energy from the fire. I like that. Was radiated. That sounds good. Through the air. Well, that fits everything into the candle. Well, I'm actually really liking that one. That's a great answer. Heat energy from the fire, good, was conducted through the table into the candle. I guess if the table got hot enough, that could melt the candle. Maybe. Heat energy from the fire was radiated. That sounds good. Through the floor, up through the table into the... No, that's a terrible answer. Heat energy from the fire was conducted through the air. We all know that this one is wrong, because if it's through the air, then that's going to have to be... And I'm not going to even try to write with this. That is convection. So we know the answer to that is here. So that makes this answer incorrect. Now again, we have most likely or best answer. I think our best answer is the one that we had to begin with. And that answer would be A.